This matter before us is very crucial. I will be at pain having you watch these proceedings from the lounge. So you help me. Will you be orderly? You'll all be in this chamber to the end. The way we are moving, we may end up going to voting with very few of you. Kindly, Senator Karungo, I have ruled you are to stand and retract that statement, not to explain yourself. I have ruled on your statement.
Mr. Speaker, I really respect the chair. And of course, I cannot argue with the chair. So I retract what I had said for me to prove a point later on. As I conclude, Mr. Speaker, I think I had a minute because I was interrupted. For me to conclude, Mr. Speaker, the grounds for removal of either a governor and a deputy governor are well put in Article 181 of our Constitution, Mr. Speaker. And it talks about gross violation, talk about abuse of office, physical, mental incapacity, and of course, if the deputy governor has committed a crime, Mr. Speaker. When we say...
Senator Sifuna, what is your point?
I hope I save my minute again, Mr. Speaker.
Can you save the time remaining for Senator Karungo so that he can have his...
Mr. Speaker, there is something that my colleague from Kiambu has said that I believe cannot be allowed to stick. He must also withdraw the assertion that, in fact, we have been refusing to attend certain sessions. It is... Mr. Speaker, I rose up. Please, Mr. Speaker, protect me. I would want that we refer to standing order.
Senator is on a point of order.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
He must.
Mr. Speaker, pursuant to Standing Order 103, we are not allowed to be discussing matters that are the subject of a court proceeding. It is a matter of record that, in fact, the reason the minority side does not attend sessions including foreigners, strangers to this House, is because we have filed a suit on principle objecting to the presence of cabinet secretaries in the Senate. Mr. Speaker, as you are aware, the minority side are the plaintiffs, and the clerk, as a representative of this House, is a respondent. Mr. Speaker, therefore, for him to cast aspersions on us, discussing a matter that is before court, he knows the reasons why we don't attend on Wednesdays. And then he wants to come and tell us here that somehow we choose which business to come and attend and which one not to. Mr. Speaker, I believe that he needs to withdraw those particular sentiments as well.
Senator Sifuna, I'm afraid I'm going to overrule you. That does not amount to a point of order. Proceed and conclude your intervention, Senator Karungo.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Instead of... anyway. Mr. Speaker, I was talking about Article 181 that gives the grounds for removal of anybody from office. Gross violation of the Constitution. Mr. Speaker, governor has committed a crime, abuse of office, and of course, physical and mental incapacity. Mr. Speaker, all those laid grounds by the Constitution, we cannot say just because the governor, the deputy governor, gives some information on political platforms that they are subject or they can be used as a basis to remove him from office, Mr. Speaker. Sometimes, some people talk just the way we are talking here, and I'm told to retract. Tell the deputy governor to retract if at all he said that, and people continue working. Would you remove me from office because I said they don't come on Wednesdays, Mr. Speaker? I'm just saying what is supposed to be said. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, and I do oppose.
Senator Oburu. Senator Oburu, proceed.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, practice. Usually speaks last. Yeah. Should be last.
The Speaker has called Senator Oburu. Okay. Kindly proceed. And if you're not proceeding,
No, I'm proceeding, Mr. Speaker, sir.